Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the channel Online Shopper, where today I'm going to be reviewing another product from AliExpress that I bought a while ago. I have this product for at least 1 year, I believe. It could be 1 year or less. I'll go check the date when I bought it, and I'll put a post somewhere up here or there for you guys to see the price. All the time. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this company name. I don't know how to say it. I don't want to bash their names or insult them or anything like that. Sorry guys if you hear the fan a little bit. It's hot like hell here, so the AC is on. And this is a vacuum packaging machine or vacuum seal machine, where it basically seals the stuff for you in these type of bags. Now it did come with some bags. I believe it was 15, but I bought some extra ones, so I have extra bags. We used it at least once or twice, and I can tell you it worked really well. This is how the box looks. Vacuum fresh, maintaining packaging machine. Yeah, the box did get a little damage in shipping. The shipping to Europe was not bad at all. It was not too long. The box got squeezed a bit, but it did not damage the machine. So I'm going to show you how it works. Let me see if I can remember how it works. I believe you press this button right here, this green button. Yep, and it starts sealing. You stop it. It has some rubbers here where you put the bag, so you can seal it, and you close it and you press. This strip here gets hot. It gets hot where you can burn yourself. So once you put it on, don't open it, don't touch this one. And right here, it's where you slide it in. This is just if you want to seal something, like seal the bag. I'll show you. Oh, I cut this bag a little shorter. It was longer. My wife and I, we tested it on something else. I believe it was some meat, and we cut one of the back because it was too long. And you need to close these two clips on the side. This is one, and this is two, and you just press. And it's red. It's good now. So it turned red, and when it's finished it turns green. Then you open. This is the release, the air. If it doesn't come out, you just pull. Opens pretty easy, and you can see this is the seal here. Now this is my fault. I did not angle it properly or put it correctly to get a proper line, because I'm on the camera, and it gives a little bit of deviation on the camera, so I didn't do it that well. But as you can see here, it's sealed pretty good. Wow, I can't even open it. It sealed pretty well. It was really tightly sealed. Yeah, that's just for sealing the bags. Now I'm going to show you how you can suck the air out of the bag and seal it. So I have some wheat here. I'm gonna put it in the bag and see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video a little bit, and I'm gonna come back when I have the wheat inside. So okay, I'm back. I put some wheat in the bag. Let's see if it works now. Okay, you gotta put it all the way up here for it to be sucked out the air and sealed. Let's see if I'm doing it right the first time. So let's go. Close it. One sec. I'll put the bag like this time. Put it like this. I close. I press. Yep, you can see it's sucking all the air out. When it's finished, it's going to turn green again. Now it's red. It's green. So it's finished. Let's see. Take the clips out. You pull here. If it's too hard to open, sometimes it gets stuck. This is to release the air. Opens. And there you go. It sucked all the air out. And it resealed it at the same time. So if you want just to seal a bag, you just put it right here. In that groove right here. And this is the sealant here. That gets hot, it will seal the bag. But to suck all the air out, you need to put it all the way here and then close it and stop it. So okay guys, thank you for stopping by the channel. I'll see you on another one. Bye.